Okay, so this is my demonstration for ENEL 351 project. So we made my friend Lucas and I made this for ENEL 351 as the project. So this is a thermostat for controlling a standard 5-wire HVAC system for residential use. So we've got a nice touch display here, and then of course we're not hooking this up to an actual HVAC, so I made this little tester here. Provides this, emulates it. You got a power light over here, power is on, and then you got a bulb for turning for when the heat comes on, for when your fan signal is on, and when your AC signal is on. So power this up. Switch there. Go, and after a few seconds, so we get our current temperature and our set point, which was saved from the previous power down. You got your 5 buttons, your up and down for turning the set point up and down. You got your mode, which cycles between your off, heat, and AC. Then you can also set the hysteresis of your thermostat up to 3 degrees, and then of course if you go above that, then it cycles back down to 0.5 degrees. And then you got your fan button, which switches between auto and on mode. So right now we can see that the power light is on. This is not very bright in person. The camera is overexposing that. And if you see, when our mode is off and our fan is set to auto, none of the bulbs turn on. So now, being that the temperature is set point is below our current temperature, we can set this to AC mode. Good. And since the fan is auto, you can see those 2 bulbs are on to indicate AC and fan are on. And we can cycle back around to off again. Yeah, come on. There we go. Okay, so back to off. And then we want to just turn the fan just on. There we go. And so you can see just the middle bulb turns on, because that means your fan is just going to be running all the time. Now, let's turn our fan back off here. Auto. So our fan goes back off again. Now let's turn up our set point here above what the current reading is. You see it goes into 0.5 degree increments. And the screen is having a very bad miroir effect here. Heck, why aren't you going up more? Screen is very picky about how hard you have to press it. There we go. There we go. Okay, so let's set it for 23.5. So now if we turn the mode to heat, it's on heat. See, our fan light and our heat light have turned on. And then also, just to show, now set our fan to be permanently on. We cycle back around to off. You can see just our fan light is on now. And then finally, we can see memorize our stuff. So our set point is 23.5 degrees Celsius. Mode is off. Our hysteresis is set for 2 degrees. And our fan is set to on. So now, oh no, power loss. Turn that off. And we'll turn it back on again. For a second. There we go. Everything is back and operating as normal because everything got saved there with the backup registers. So yeah, this is the demonstration for ENEL 351 project made by my friend Lucas and I. Yeah.